Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to slow down YouTube Shorts. Let's go. YouTube Shorts are quick videos that are usually fast-paced. Sometimes you may want to take your time and enjoy them more. Slowing them down can help you catch every detail and understand the content better. First of all, open up the YouTube mobile app. Then play the YouTube short that you want to slow down. Then tap on the like button. After that, tap on the button at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the liked videos playlist. Now play the YouTube short that you liked. Tap on it. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the video. Now you'll see the playback speed option. Tap on it. Here you will see options for playback speed. You can choose 0.75x for a slightly slow video, 0.5x for half speed, or 0.25x. If you want to go really slow, choose your preferred speed and enjoy watching. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.